Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Woohoo! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here a oink, there a oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hooray! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yee-haw! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Woo! Yeah! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the zoo. Let's go find the animals. Fun for me and you. Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the zoo. Listen to the sound they make. Big ones, small ones too. Girls and boys, make some noise. Girls and boys, make some noise. Here's the monkey. Monkey, monkey, he's so funky. 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 Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the zoo.
Yeah, this is so fun!
Let's go find the animals. Fun for me and you. Girls and boys, make some noise. Girls and boys, make some noise. Here's the lion. Yay! Hear the lion roar. More, more, more. Hear the lion roar. Roar, roar, roar. Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the zoo. Let's go find the animals. Fun for me and you. Hooray! Girls and boys, make some noise. Girls and boys, make some noise. Here's the elephant. Ooh. Elephant's bigger than a house, but he's still scared of an itty bitty mouse. Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the zoo. Let's go find the animals. Fun for me and you. Woohoo! Girls and boys, make some noise. Girls and boys, make some noise. Here's the seal. Seal, seal, what's the deal? 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 Welcome to the zoo. Yay! Welcome to the zoo. Let's go find the animals. Fun for me and you. Yeah! Oh, guys.
Who feels like getting up to some mischief?
Oh.
Maybe a little monkeying around?
I do. Oh, I love monkeys.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Oh boy, this is fun. Hey, I love jumping on my bed.
4 little monkeys hanging from a tree. One fell down and hurt her knee. Daddy saw what happened and he said to me, "No more monkeys climbing up the tree." Well, I guess Daddy knows best. Monkeys do love to hang from trees.
3 little monkeys running on the farm. One fell down and hurt his arm. Farmer shouted at them like a loud alarm, "No more monkeys running on my farm." Oh, that farmer sure was mad. I guess monkeys belong in the zoo, not on a farm.
2 little monkeys fighting in the snow. One fell down and hurt her toe. Teacher came outside and she said, "Uh-oh, no more monkeys fighting in the snow." Wow, being a monkey sure is fun. That snow is too cold for a monkey. That's why they live in the jungle. One little monkey climbing very high. He fell down and hurt his eye. Mama came to help him when she heard him cry, "No more monkeys climbing very high." Oh boy, I gotta be more careful from now on.
You naughty little monkeys. That was fun.
Yay! Okay, everybody, pack your bags. We're going on a journey to outer space. That's one small step for man.
Awesome.
Hooray!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We are the planets living out in space. Each of us is different, each a glowing face. We are the planets. How do you do? Big planets, small planets, which one are you?
I'm Mercury. Hey, look at me. I'm closest to the sun. I ain't got no moon, but I'm faster than everyone.
We are the planets. How do you do? Big planets, small planets, which one are you? I'm Venus, also known as evening or morning star. I'm 7,000 miles away. That's really not too far. We are the planets. How do you do? Big planets, small planets, which one are you? I'm Earth. You know me best. I'm right beneath your feet. You walk around me every day. I'm really pretty neat. We are the planets. How do you do? Big planets, small planets, which one are you?
I'm Mars. Man, I'm red. Craters from head to toe. I'm covered in volcanoes. I hope they never blow.
We are the planets. How do you do? Big planets, small planets, which one are you? I'm Jupiter, the biggest one and stronger than them all. I'm made of gas, and if they ask, say I'm having a ball. We are the planets. How do you do? Big planets, small planets, which one are you? I'm Saturn. Hey, look at these. Do you like my rings? You can see me through a telescope if you like that sort of thing. We are the planets. How do you do? Big planets, small planets, which one are you?
I'm Uranus. Wow, what a view. I'm a planet, just like you.
I'm a pretty shade of blue.
Check your books. It's all
We
true.
are the planets. How do you do?
Might I add, I'm furthest from the sun. I'm also blue and gassy too. I guess that makes me just like
You're the
you.